Okay, this is a video on adding an angle to an angle. So you can see here that we've got two angles. We've got angle ABC at the top, angle DEF at the bottom. What we're going to do here is we're going to add angle DEF to angle ABC. All right, and first thing we're going to do is we're going to measure out the size of angle DEF. And the way we're going to do that is in two steps. First, we're going to just put our sharp point of the compass at E, the vertex of angle DEF, and we're going to make an arc right here. Pretty fairly good size arc, just covering angle DEF, just like that. Okay, and then without changing the compass setting, we're going to go over here to the vertex of angle ABC and set it right there on the vertex. And we're going to make the same arc sweeping like this, and just going to crossing ray BA, and I'm going to make a few letterings here. On ray ED, I'm going to call this point G, since that's what we're up to in the alphabet, and I'm going to call this H, and I'm going to call this point over here I, just for convenience sake. Now, so we can talk about the points. Okay, now to actually measure the size of angle DEF, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my sharp point of the compass on H, and then I'm going to change the setting so I can actually measure the length from H to G, which I'm doing by, in this case, I'm shortening it up just a little bit, and then there it is, from H to G is there. Then I draw a short little arc just to prove that I've measured it. That's the proof right there that I measured it. And now I'm going to go over to point I here, and I'm going to put the sharp point of the compass here at I, and I'm going to draw an arc that cuts the first arc right there. And this point, G, H, I, J, we're up to J, so I'm going to make this point, call it J. And that point there, because this was the first arc, just like this arc, and this arc measured out, is the same as HG. This mark IJ is just like HG. So then, now I use my straight edge here, and I draw from B to J. And because IJ was the same measure as HG, this angle JBI has the exact same measure as angle DEF, or you could also call it angle GEH. All right, so we have successfully now added angle DEF to angle ABC. Let me write that out here. What we've done is we've added angle DEF to angle ABC,